everyone, it's Kalisa M with another video. As you know guys, I don't like wasting time, so I'm just gonna get straight into the content of the day. So today I'll be showing you how I achieved this gold blonde. I used Vida is Life. You can get this color from Sweet Penny if you're around Pretoria, and you can also get it from Clicks. However, they are not currently available at Clicks. They said they will tell me when they are available. I've been talking to them on Instagram, so yeah, you must just check them out. And they cost 42 rands from Sweet Penny. So without wasting any time, let's get into the content of the day. So guys, I'm gonna show you using just one bundle, and you will do the process to the rest of the bundles. So you're gonna need like 4 boxes for 3 bundles and a closure. So this is what I do. I mix the powder with the color developer, which is the peroxide, until I don't see the powder anymore, until I have like a homogeneous mixture, and then I apply the mixture all over the bundle. So after applying on one side, I'm going to turn it around and apply on the other side, just to make sure all the hair strands have the highlights. I think it's very important to dye your hair when it's still in its bundle forms, because you have more control of the hair than when it's already turned into a wig. So when I'm done highlighting everywhere, I'm going to wrap the bundle with the plastic or foil if you have it. This process will make your hair heat, like your hair will feel hot. Don't panic when that happens, because this is more like a bleach. And I initially set the timer to 30 minutes, but the color I wanted developed like in 15 minutes, so you have to keep on checking. And then after 15 minutes, that was more like 16 minutes, I rinsed off the mixture, and then I used the purple shampoo. And you already know this process, guys. I think I have a lot of wig wash videos, so if you want a detailed video on how to wash hair, you can check out one of my wig wash videos. So after bleaching, highlighting, whatever you call it, you have to oil your hair, because your hair will be very dry. And I didn't blow dry the hair, I air dried the hair. I'm only gonna use the blow dryer now, just to eliminate the bushiness before I straighten the hair. So every time I straighten my hair, I section the hair just to make sure all the hair gets the heat and it gets to look silky. And then just for some final touch-ups, I used the spray that is on the giveaway. If you haven't entered the giveaway, go and enter the giveaway. Check the details on the previous video. Guys, please forgive me. The lighting on this video is like so bad. I know. It's so bad and I don't like it when I film with bad lights. So I use this, what is it, African Pride spray before I wear my wigs sometimes, because my hair gets so dry. The wig cap makes my hair dry, and as you can see, I'm trying to grow my hair, so I need to keep it moisturized. So now I'm gonna wear my DIY wig cap. If you can't really find a wig cap that matches your skin color, go and get this from Pep and DIY it. I have a video on this wig cap, so please do check it out. I will also link it down below. So for the wig, let me quickly remove this part. Oh, I don't even remove this one. I always start with this one, and then after cutting this net is also part of the giveaway. So if you haven't entered the giveaway, do enter. I will announce the winner Monday or Sunday. So if you want to win a mannequin head, 2 wig caps, a set of needles, and what is it, or a maintenance spray for your weaves, do enter the competition. You must be careful when you cut this. Don't cut your hair, but you must cut like very close to your hair, very close. I also have a video showing you how I make wigs, and I'll also show you how I cut this. I will also link it down below. If you don't know how to make a wig, if you don't know how to cut your lace, you can learn that from the video. Hey girl, hello. Guys, I don't like this kind of blonde. I like very popping blonde. I like very blonde hair. Ooh, but I like this color, hey? It's so cute. And I think it's comfortable. I can wear this to campus. I can wear this to a meeting, something, but definitely not an interview. But even an interview, it depends what kind of an interview it is. Like if it's, you know, You know how people work on social media, so if it's those kind of interviews, you can wear this. This hair is so nice, guys, and the quality of the hair as well, I think, makes the difference. I think it's also helpful if you use like brand new hair. Let me bring my lipstick because my lips look so dry. So I'm gonna use this Russian Red from MAC. It's almost finished. I've had this for like, I don't know, since 2014. Oh guys, I'm not used to eyelashes, guys. You I applied a lot. I think it goes well with this look. And then I'm gonna use my, what's this color? Gold Deposit from MAC. Just look at me showing you my final finished makeup, and I didn't show you when I was like busy applying the foundation, the eyeshadow. But I'm still getting used to this thing of applying makeup, so until I'm confident enough to come on screen with makeup stuff, I will. What else? What else did I forget? If you ever feel like your hair is not flat enough, or it has like hair that is like standing, this is what you do. You just apply the mousse. I think my hair is fine though, I'm just doing it for control. Okay, this one is kind of this side. I don't know who I'm controlling, but just for control. Guys, you know that I'm going to campus. I just wanted to quickly take this video, and I'm also done. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to enter the competition. I'll announce the winner Sunday, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe as well, like, comment, and I will see you in the next video.